The Undertaker Story Part 2. During the steel cage match between Bret Hart and Diesel, Diesel was just about to escape the cage and win the match. Suddenly, The Undertaker appeared from beneath the ring and pulled Diesel inside. The cage smoke began filling the ring, creating a terrifying atmosphere. Moment later, Diesel managed to scrape the ring, but as soon as he saw Undertaker standing there, he ran away from the cage in fear, realizing the darkness and mind game of the Undertaker. Little while the Undertaker was comparing in the another match. Diesel attacked and completely destroyed Undertaker as casket. The Undertaker had no idea this had happened. After winning his match, he returned only to find his casket smashed to pieces by Diesel. Immediately during a show at Madison Square Garden, MSG, the two men finally come face to face. Undertaker drove Diesel away, and then the physical warfare fully began. Paul Bearer broke out as brand new casket mint for Diesel, crowing. Diesel slowly walked over the opponent at or to his horror. Instead of